I'm Jared Burden. I'm standing in front of my offices on a busy street in Harrisonburg, Virginia. I'm a partner with GreeneHurlocker, and I practice, among other things, land use law. A landowner or a developer may have the greatest piece of land in the world, but unless its operations are allowed under zoning laws, the property is functionally worthless. In most cities and counties of Virginia, there are zoning codes to comply with, just as across the country. If you want to put a certain use on a certain piece of land, that land needs to be permitted the right way. Each client is different, each use is different, and each piece of land is different. But most of all, the people are different. People in the community, people on the staffs, and on the commissions and boards that will make the ultimate decision. Land use is a people practice at the end of the day. You have to enjoy working with everyone from the concerned adjoining landowner to that full set of people sitting in front of you in the boardroom. Solar energy is a great example of that. GreeneHurlocker works with developers of large-scale utility solar quite often. The kind of properties that are appropriate for large renewable energy projects are usually big tracts of land in rural counties. Some counties have taken the time to develop specialized zoning ordinances, but most have not. The developer is going to need to work through a process where zoning codes and actual people collide. The goal is usually what's called a conditional use permit, sometimes called a special use permit. As I said, each county is different, but that doesn't mean that lessons learned from one county doesn't apply to another. There's a rhythm and a flow to land use cases. This chart, prepared with one client's land use project in mind, is an effort to tailor that rhythm and flow to a particular use in a particular jurisdiction. It's a process that begins with becoming familiar with the planning staff, moves on to intelligence gathering efforts, and drives the building of relationships with individual planning commission and board members, and guides the building of relationships with community groups, adjoining landowners, and other stakeholders. Some might call this three-dimensional chess. We call it a journey that we enjoy taking with our clients. Call us for your land use needs.